Mukwano, this is so delicious. Mwah. Oh my god, this is amazing. Last year, so we're in 2023 right now. I connected with her, I want to say last year.
Yeah.
Did we? Yeah. And I actually heard about her on a podcast. The Ugandan
Kitchen in Uganda.
The Kitchen in Uganda.
Hi, Sophie.
Yeah, I heard about her on A Kitchen in Uganda. It's a podcast. I suggest you listen to her. It's lovely. And immediately I started following her on Instagram. And what really stuck out to me was the fact that she has two things that are very dear to my heart: food and nursing. My sister was an executive chef and still is considered a chef. And I've had the opportunity to work with some of the finest chefs in LA. Chefs out there, I got so much love for you. So I connected with Rita. I told her I'm coming to Uganda and I wanted to cook with her. And I asked her to teach me how to cook local cuisine. And one of my favorite cuisines of Uganda is Luwombo. If I understand correctly, Luwombo is something that is prepared for special guests. It's not something you just prepare.
Brilliant.
It's a way of showing honor and respect to your guests. And I thank you for taking the opportunity for teaching me this. So I'm excited. Much love to you, and we are in Uganda with Rita of the Cooking Nurse.
Thank you so much for coming here, and it's an honor to be having an opportunity to teach you this. Welcome home.
Thank you. I
Okay.
feel home.
You're going to touch the charcoal.
Okay,
Start away.
all right.
We're going to start with the bigger pieces, but you need to lay them in.
Okay, is this too big?
Yeah.
So shall I break
Break
it?
it.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. All right, maybe we'll start.
So, yeah, you put that one in the corner.
Okay.
So that when they are burning,
Yeah.
they don't like go away fast.
Okay.
You want to start with the bigger ones and then the smaller ones come on top.
Okay.
So we can light up the big ones that are bigger.
Okay. And Rita, what do you call this cauldron here, or this piece?
Sigiri.
Sigiri. This is
Wachapa
sigiri. Okay.
In Kenya they call it jiko.
Jeko.
Jiko.
Jiko in Kenya.
Yeah.
And in Uganda they call it
Sigiri.
Sigiri.
So you need to put in your charcoal, arranging it properly so that it can light up quickly. That
So,
is-
Rita, I have a question. When I drive throughout Uganda, I always see this smoke, and I smell this beautiful smoke coming off the roads when I'm driving. I see it. And is this what they're making?
sometimes yes, sometimes they are making bricks
Okay.
for building.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
In the countryside they make more bricks because we don't buy. We make locally with clay. So most of the times if you're in the countryside, it's the bricks
okay.
that smell so good because it's just soil they are burning. Then these ones, they are also made the same way.
And the wood that they use, do you remember what wood it is that they use?
I think we use any wood.
Any wood?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I really don't know exactly which tree. Maybe pine.
All right.
So we're going to be using a bag to light up.
Okay. All right. I'm nice and ready to go.
So there are sticks, the pine sticks that we use to make sigiri, but I don't have them here. And the other way that we can easily do this is using a bag because this bag is burnt for long. So as they are trying to burn that long, they'll also burn the charcoal.
Got it.
So the charcoal produces heat. So the stove burns again. You don't want to burn it and then drop it in because then there's no air. It's going to just cover and it's going to be solid again.
So no oxygen, therefore the fire will die.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
So I keep on holding it
Can I hold it for you, or you want to?
you can hold. It's a bit. If it doesn't burn you.
phone is so nice. Your videos that you take are so nice.
Even yours.
No, I don't. I don't want to leave anything behind, so I'm gonna grab that as well.
Very good. That's the spirit. In this kitchen, we do not waste.
We don't need this, right?
Yeah. Your hands look much better than mine. In my own phone, I'm going to delete your videos.
Because now this one is different.
Are those? Is that a good size for you, Chef?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you put on the onion peelings.
Okay, where on here?
Yeah.
What does this do? Does it add
Like
flavor?
that. Yeah. The meat.
Oh my god, this smells.
No, small pieces,
Okay.
but chunks.
Okay, so let me
Yeah,
see where
like
the
that
bone
one.
is.
After cutting it,
Yeah, I'm feeling the bone. All right.
it's still gonna just cut a bigger chunk.
Let me. Right here. Okay.
Put it on the stove. Let it on the stove.
So straight on here, no salt, nothing, no?
Yeah, just put it on the
This is
stove.
good?
Yeah, put it this side. Yeah.
So should I move this guy over
Yeah.
a little bit? All
Yeah.
right.
Get salt. It's enough. Then to GJ, yeah? You can actually put it as it is.
Oh, really? Okay, so I'll leave it as is because that'll be nice.
Yeah, tan.
Well, we put this guy on first, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks beautiful. Cool. And then
we'll transfer that into the what?
Into the clay pot?
Pan. No.
oh, okay, into the pan.
Yeah.
You save him.
You said him.
Yes.
That is a snail.
It doesn't matter. He has a life.
Oh.
Everybody has a life. Everything has
Tugende
a life.
wabweru.
Okay, Mama. No
Okay.
problem.
You have to have guns.
Mzungu asaani ttemmere okusinga mmwe. Okiwulira? Bite.
All right, Rita. How do I do?
First remove your hands.
We're good?
There you
You
are.
proud of me?
Very proud of you.
Yeah? All right. High five. Okay.
That top one.
So we are finished cooking the luwombo. We made goat luwombo, and it's been cooking over charcoal or
Sigiri.
sigiri for how many hours would you say,
About
Chef? at least 3 hours. It's been slow cooking over sigiri, which is basically charcoal. So here we go. We're gonna dig in. All right.
It's open.
All right.
No, just pull it off.
We'll pull it out into
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, just put this off and put it in here. So it is.
Okay. Ooh. We've got a lot of steam going on. Burn our little chunky sausages here. Woo-wee. Shall I put this into there?
Yeah.
All right. Hold on. Yeah, go. Yeah. All right.
Okay, you come and open it.
Okay, darling.
Aroma.
All right. We're going to untie this beautiful little secret we got in here. Y'all just wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, look at the oil that it has released. If you were just here to smell the pepper, the hint of curry, the tomatoes and the goat, and then you've got a very, very distinct aroma from the banana leaves that only you would be able to detect if you've had banana leaves. So if you haven't, I highly recommend you cook with banana leaves because it does something very special to your cuisine. It imparts a very unique flavor that next time you have that cuisine, you will never forget. Immediately, it's like a light bulb that just switches on. You're like, oh, that must be banana leaves. Anyway, it's so tender. I want you to see how tender it is. If I can just, look, it's falling off. I can't wait to dig in.
Put in the meats.
Tell me when to stop.
Just put in. This is your
Okay.
glass. Add. If another piece of meat.
I will gladly take this big fat chunk. Thank you. And then do my darling.
Which water is that?
Moquano, this is so delicious. Mwah.
Okay, so
Oh my god, this is amazing. You guys don't know what you're missing. Wow.
Dina.
Hello.
Dina.